Struggling with translation pipelines that break under real world data noise? When your NLP models spit out gibberish for edge cases, your localization efforts unravel fast. This skill gives you battle tested tools, end to end pipeline architecture with dynamic data routing, transformer fine tuning with domain adaptation, automated validation loops that catch translation drift, and localization frameworks that handle right to left scripts. For AI engineers drowning in regex hacks and ML practitioners babysitting model drift, we've all been there. Let's stop building translation systems that work most of the time and start shipping ones that earn global trust. Here's what's inside the Building AI Translation Pipeline skill. You'll master modular pipeline design with language detection pre-routers, implement BPE tokenization that handles low resource languages, and construct validation suites measuring BLEU, TER, and semantic coherence. The skill includes localization template injection for UI strings, parallel corpus augmentation techniques, and drift monitoring dashboards. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples like e commerce product localization and medical document translation. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Build translation systems that scale from day one, not death march debugging sessions. Installing the Building AI Translation Pipeline skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Building AI Translation Pipeline. That's it. You get the complete skill: expert level guidance on attention masking strategies, code templates for parallel data pre processing, and validation frameworks that auto generate test cases. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands how to optimize Marion MT pipelines, clean common crawl dumps, and structure evaluation metrics. No more hunting for translation pipeline best practices. This is the Rosetta Stone for your multilingual AI ambitions.